I chose this program because the level of uncertainties in our region has been increasing recently, driven by the geopolitical situation, technology disaster, environmental disaster, or national disaster, which positioned the emergency and disaster management as a must, not anymore as a choice.
I chose Georgetown because of the high level of academic standard that they have, and then specifically this program because this was the only program that I found that directly correlates to my job, and it just seemed fascinating.
I chose this master because it will help me to enrich my skills and capabilities in terms of the emergency and disaster management. This would help me at the different levels, at a country level where I can serve and help to prepare, plan, and respond for a crisis when it's already happened.
So I chose this program in the Middle East because I have a lot of experience with my work working in Iraq and Afghanistan, and I didn't have much knowledge of Qatar, so I wanted to come here and learn pretty much everything. The faculty and student interaction is my favorite part of the program. I mean, every single member of the faculty, they have PhDs, they're so experienced, they're experts in the field, and they're answering the questions before I even have a chance to ask them.
The level of the knowledge that we have gained during the first week of this program, something that we can't measure honestly. From the lecture that we have taken in the classroom, from the different presenters that come from different organizations, including the site visit that we had. This particular visit gave us an information that we are not even exposed or aware about it in the whole country, which makes me honestly proud.